It is December 19th, I think. 19th day of Vlogmas. I'm so sick. I'm so sick, man. Sick. And, well, we are just chilling in the backyard. I'm filming in case I die, so that you can get my last words on film.
Video.
We're going on an adventure around the backyard. We found a lemon tree. Lemons. I have a feeling that the camera's gonna be really shaky today because every time I cough, it shakes. Haley, what are we doing? Playing in the rocks.
Yeah, we are.
True. What the heck?
Well, we have all these rocks here, you see. They all look pretty cool.
Alright, well,
But when you get a collection of them, put them all together in one spot,
and then
it looks
even
exactly
cooler.
the same. No, I'm just kidding. My grandma was like, what are you guys doing out there? And we're just like, yeah, playing in the rocks.
Yeah. I haven't painted my nails for like 6 months. So.
Yeah. But we can't do grandma. I have no makeup on.
You're pretty without makeup.
Oh, you're so kind.
We were painting our nails.
And I don't know how to do this.
Let's see your nails, Haley.
They look so good and not
See your
smudgy.
nails.
See mine.
Beautiful. And mine.
Yours are really good.
And there's mine. I'm gonna have like a bloopers reel of today's video, and it's gonna be all the times I coughed. It's gonna be 10 minutes of me coughing. My grandpa loves sports, but none of his sons love sports, and so when he doesn't have anyone to talk to, he calls his friend in Utah to talk about sports.
So BYU is behind 35-0 in the Las Vegas Bowl today, and 5 turnovers in the first 5 possessions. I just told the girls, I'm in a bad mood, don't talk to me.
It's so pretty. We're going on a walk. Grandpa, Brandon, Ben, Haley, me.
Yeah, you're right. My grandpa just said, I can't believe, he said, I can't believe I'm the only one who wore a coat. A little jacket. He's such an Arizonian. Just kidding. BYU is currently dying. So, Twitter is raging. Always representing Westlake, even if it's not even in the same state. Found some cactuses, or cacti, you know? You know? Grandpa, let me see your hat.
It's an African hat.
African hat. Put it back on your head. Let's see.
Oh, you want to see?
Nice.
Oh, wait, take that.
Such as anybody else. I wanna wake you from your dreams. I wanna know just who you're talking to when you're singing in your sleep. I wanna find out what it means. Do you love me?
Tamara, where are we right now? Nello's Pizza, Arizona. Arizona in the warm weather, but I'm still wearing
Hello's Pizza.
We just got pizza. I had gluten-free pizza. It's pretty good.
What time is it, Mom? What time is it, Mom?
Her hair is so pretty. She's gonna be the next Miranda Sings. Where are we headed?
To Oz?
To Oz. We're going to see the temple lights. Going to see the temple lights. Da, 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 da.
Awkward long smile.
Well, we are at the Mesa Temple looking at the lights.
It's pretty.
I'm pretty sure that Christmas lights on palm trees is the coolest thing I've ever seen.
Yeah, why don't we get like a Christmas tree every year? We get a Christmas
I know,
palm
we
tree.
could just get a palm tree. Lemon trees. Look at how pretty that is. Bye. Hi, Heather.
Hello.
Hi, beautiful girl.
Vlogmas day.
Vlogmas.
19.
Where are we, guys?
at the beautiful Mesa, Arizona
Mesa,
temple.
Arizona.
Looking at the light.
The light show that actually kind of challenges the Salt Lake show.
Yeah. Definitely
It is
has
right now.
more colors. Has way more colors, and like everything has lights on it, not just like the trees. With the fan.
Do you think this is
Can be in my video.
Whoa!
With Bay. You know it.
Here, guys. Come get in.
Selfie video with the temple. And your brother, and your sister, and Tamara.
Oh, by the way, Heather, tomorrow is Wear Vampire Teeth to Church Day. It's a tradition in Mesa on Christmas.
Okay. Yeah. Vampire teeth to church day.
We'll be going to start in a few moments at the Christmas presentation. So if you want to listen, please feel free and come under the blue sky.
You can't even see my face. I have no face.
The temple illuminates your soul and your face. What you eating there? What is it called? Chocolate custard.
Who's gonna share with me?
Chocolate covered cherry. Frozen custard from Nielsen's
for an extra cup and an extra spoon?
Tell us your story about when you used to work here.
So, I used to work here when it was across the street, and it was awesome.
What did you invent?
I invented Captain Crunch Berry concrete. Captain Crunch.
Nice one, Dad.
Captain Crunch Berry concrete.
He's never ever tasted eggnog.
Basically, what Dad invented is not Captain Crunch. Captain Crunch concrete frozen custard. So it would be vanilla custard with Captain Crunch in it, mixed in. We got chocolate covered cherry something. Pretty excited to eat that. And the decorations in here are so cool. Everyone's so glad. I love it so much. Frozen custard is so good.
So cool.
And she's so cool.
This is Heather eating frozen custard that she's not supposed to eat.
You're going on a diet.
Cheers.
Am lit. Okay.
Come back. When Bay leaves. I thought Bay was coming back, but she's not. Well, the end of this video.